Now we're going to show you how to use the fridge in the Swift Escapes 2017 models. First of all, you can start off by turning it on with the power button. At the moment it is set to gas and it is flashing as the gas is not connected. We can turn this off by using the A button, which will automatically turn it on to whichever power source is feeding to the motorhome at the time. You have got your little plug which will indicate that you can have this through electrical hookup. You can use your little flame symbol, which this is for your gas if you have no electrical hookup. And again, you have the little battery which you can use the fridge whilst you are travelling, and this will work off your vehicle battery. And that is how you use the fridge in the Swift Escape 2017 models.